Your stomach just growled loudly in a dead silent room, but you're not even hungry. So what is your body actually doing? While often associated with hunger, that growl is primarily the sound of your gut running a full self-cleaning sweep, a process that naturally occurs when your stomach is empty. And it happens every 90 minutes, even while you sleep. This cleaning cycle has a name that sounds like a superhero move: the migrating motor complex, or MMC. Scientists discovered it in the 1970s, and it completely changed how we understand digestion. Think of your gut like a factory floor. After the workers finish the big job, digesting your meal, the janitors come in. The MMC is the janitorial crew, sweeping leftover food, bacteria, and debris down toward the exit. The MMC only kicks in when your stomach is empty, usually about 2 to 4 hours after your last meal. That's your gut's green light to start the sweep. And that growl, the actual rumble you hear, that's called borborygmi. It's the sound of muscular waves squeezing air and fluid through your intestines during the sweep. Without food to muffle the sound, these movements in your hollow intestines can be surprisingly loud. Your empty gut acts like an echo chamber. Here's where it gets clever. The MMC also acts as a security guard. The sweeping waves continually clear the small intestine, pushing leftover bacteria forward into the large intestine and preventing them from taking hold where they don't belong. In fact, people with a damaged MMC from diabetes or certain nerve conditions get a disease called SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. The janitors stopped showing up, and the bacteria took over. Now here's the curiosity gap payoff. If you eat a snack the second you hear your stomach growl, you actually interrupt the cleaning cycle mid-sweep. The sweep stops, and the full cleanup is postponed until your gut is empty again. Waiting it out isn't weakness, it's biology. So the next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, you can smile, because your gut isn't just complaining it's hungry. It's running its 90-minute maintenance cycle, a crucial process that naturally occurs when your stomach is empty and can coincide with feeling hungry.